Jai Hind all of you. Cadets of Class 9 presents a playlet on fire safety.
My name is 𝗙𝗶𝗿𝗲 Dear friends, today we sought an opportunity to present a playlet on fire safety. At the very outset, I would like to tell you that fire is an asset to the human being for thousands of years. Benjamin Franklin rightly said, "Home is not a house unless it contains food and fire for the mind as well as the body." Now, over to Lakshmikant.
Thank you, Anand. My name is 𝗙𝗶𝗿𝗲. I am, according to Indian philosophy, fire is one of the Panchatattva: sky, earth, water, air, and fire. Everything living and non-living is made up of these five basic elements. You know that fire is prominently used in the kitchen for cooking, in iron factories, and industries. But fire can be deadly, extremely dangerous when it is not managed properly. Now,
I would like to tell you statistical record. There were over 1,82,000 fires last year in both homes and business. 7,116 non-fatal casualties. 253 fire-related deaths. Hence, we must understand the importance of fire safety. Let me tell you what is fire. The visible effects of process of combustion is called a fire. It is chemical reaction. It produces heat and light. Now over to Aniket.
Thank you, Chaitanya. I am Aniket Dhande. Fire is a chemical reaction of fuel, heat, and oxygen. Hence, fire is equal to fuel plus heat plus oxygen plus chain reaction. If one of them is absent, fire does not take place. Scientists explain that it is fire tetrahedron. Now over to Dhruva.
Thank you, Aniket. I am Cadet 𝗙𝗶𝗿𝗲. Fires are of 6 different classes. Class A, solid. Example, wood, paper, and rubber, etc. Class B, liquid. Example, petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Class C, gases. Example, hydrogen, butane, methane, etc. Class E, metal. Example, aluminium, potassium, and magnesium. Class F, cooking oils. Example, kitchen oils, fats, etc. Now over to Jai.
Thank you, Dhruva. I am Jai 𝗙𝗿𝗲. Fire can be occur at any time, but most can be prevented. We can protect our life from fire. For fire safety, we can use fire extinguisher. For Class A, Class B, and Class C, water extinguisher. Class D, dry powder extinguisher. Class E, carbon dioxide extinguisher. Class F, wet chemical extinguisher, but it must be properly used and you must be well trained about its uses. Thank you. Now over to Krutik.
Thank you, Jay. I'm Cadet 𝗙𝗶𝗿𝗲. I want to tell about fire safety. As you know that fire is a chain reaction, fuel, oxygen, heat. I will suggest 4 methods extinguishing fire. First, cooling method. For removal, heat water use. Second, starvation method. From removal, fuel, cut the supply instantly. Third, smoothing method. For removal, oxygen, carbon dioxide applies. Fourth, chain breaking method, blanket application. Now over to Samyak.
Thank you, Trutik. My name is 𝗙𝗵𝗿𝗲 𝗦𝗳𝗲. May I tell you top tips of fire safety. First, install fire alarm at your home instantly. Second, test fire alarm every month. Third, discuss with your family members about a fire escape plan and practice that plan twice a year. Fourth, if fire occurs at your location, get out and stay out. And call for help 911 or emergency phone number. Now I would like to invite Om to demonstrate the activity.
Here is a team of members of class 9 participating in the demonstration. They are properly trained. Now the team leader cadet Om Chandurkar will show you how to extinguish the fire caused by LPG gas cylinder. LPG means liquefied petroleum gas. A versatile and reliable cooking heat source is LPG. Here is the demonstration.
Good morning to all of you. My friends tell about information about fire. In the kitchen, there is a woman has a risk due to LPG gas. Because LPG gas is very risky. So I demonstrated you to prevent fire in LPG gas. So there are two ways. First way, take a blanket and soak it out in water. Then remove additional water and keep it forward of LPG gas and cover our hand with blanket and put forward and cover it properly. Then cut the supply of oxygen and fire it will stop. Second way that put bucket into the LPG gas and stop the fire. Now I demonstrate it.
Now I will conclude fire safety is a set of views to reduce the destruction caused by fire. Thus by applying preventing proper measure, you can protect our life from uncontrolled fire. The most powerful weapon on earth, it is human soul on fire. And discipline is the refining fire by which talent becomes the ability. Make a campfire or bonfire be healthy and safe. आग लग भी सकते हैं, आग लगाए भी जा सकते हैं और आग बुझाई भी जा सकती है. तो आग लगाने के बजाय आग बुझाने का सोचिए. धन्यवाद.
जय हिंद सर.
जय हिंद सर.